Oh, we got fuel coming out here.
Where?
Right here.
Okay. I'm gonna crank. Oh, we lost power here.
We got a loose fitting here. It's
Yeah, we better
pull air in.
Yeah, nothing, Joe. Still nothing. Well, that was attempt 3 anyway. Tried to eventually get there.
Push crack.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Crack one. Injector.
That's Aaron cracks the lines.
Yep.
Yeah, bleeding in it.
Fuel probably just needs to be bled, huh?
Probably.
Well, valve cover to actually bleed.
So you can't just do it like right there anymore?
Oh, yeah, valve cover gets injected, right?
Okay. Spinning over faster. Jeezbers. It's getting... Holy cow, that's really foaming. Oh yeah.
Oh.
We got fuel out here anyway.
What tells these? Plate.
So it doesn't look like you can really just open that up and... Can you get it from... No, that's a solid cap too.
Don't compress on this injector's loose. You feel the air come out.
That's good.
Really?
Yeah. Here, stick your hand right here.
Oh yeah. I was hearing that before and I didn't even think of that.
Yeah.
We were trying to start this engine. We found out that the fuel pump has a bent rack due to improper installation. Not sure what you guys can see that.
Tighten that up.
I did. Just. Tighten these down.
I know, he's got the wrench.
Tighten all four. You're good. It'll fire right up now.
She ought to fire up good.
Should we throw a valve cover on too? Right?
I suppose we ought to.
Well, you don't want to see a magic work.
We just did.
No, it was just starting up.
Magic work my, you know what?
As Joe so professionally works the wiring. Bolts!
Ready?
Oh, gotta tighten it
Get out of
down.
the way.
We don't tighten it down, just fire it up.
Okay, fine, we'll fire it up. Woohoo! Did we just blow the hose? Yeah, we blew the fuel hose.
Matt got a bad.